especially financial. Attend monthly meetings in your club and participate in all the activities of the club. Pay your obligations always in your club, regional and national. Last but not the least, let us not forget, being an eagle, let us look to our fellow Kuya.
Yes, they are.
Are these all clear applicants?
Yes, they are.
Eagle National President of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Eagle Kuya Nelson Alonto Sarapudin, here now represented by past National President Kuya Eagle Ibn Hasim Aukasa Undog. May I humbly present to you these applicants under the clubs so mentioned. After having undergone and completed their mandatory orientation seminar or orients given by the Philippine Eagles Institute of Leadership or PIL, conducted on this day and on this venue in Carmona, Cavite, Philippines. For and in behalf of the Philippine Eagles Institute of Leadership or PIL, I am now highly recommending to you these applicants of the said clubs. And they are now ready for induction. Kuya National President. Everybody in the hall are asked to please stand up for the solemnity of this proceeding.
Please raise your right hands and repeat after me. I state your names.
I,
After having been duly accounted
after having been duly
as member of State Your Club
as member of
of the Fraternal Order of Eagles,
the Fraternal Order of
Philippine Eagles,
Eagles,
subscribing to Eagles Magna Carta,
Eagles Magna Carta,
and believing in its capabilities as self-reliant Philippine Socio-Civic Organization, do hereby solemnly make oath that I shall defend and uphold at all times said Eagles Magna Carta, as well as all laws, rules and regulations duly promulgated by the Philippine Eagles, and I shall consciously uphold at all times said Eagles delicadeza and moral code of ethics as the ultimate measure of my conduct and judgment relative to my dealings with my fraternity, with my club, and with my fellow Eagle. So help me God. Congratulations.
We would like to request the management to kindly put on
Philippine Eagles, subscribing to Eagles Magna Carta,
Eagles Magna Carta,
believing in its capabilities as self-reliant Philippine Socio-Civic Organization, do hereby solemnly make oath that I shall defend and uphold at all times said Eagles Magna Carta, as well as all laws, rules and regulations duly promulgated by the Philippine Eagles, and I shall consciously uphold at all times said Eagles delicadeza and moral code of ethics, and as the ultimate measure of my conduct and judgment relative to my dealings with my fraternity, with my club, and with my fellow Eagles. So help me God.